let's write the algebraic statement, the given algebraic statement to verbal statement. Okay, so some algebraic statements given, you want to convert it as a verbal statement. What do you mean by verbal statement? You want to express in words, am I correct? Yes. So x divided by 3, very easy, you can write x divided by 3. Okay, very easy, no? Now 5n minus 12, 5n minus 12, 5 and n both are in multiplication. Okay, so 5 times n, if there is no sign between the constant and variable, you can consider that as a multiplication. Dear children, you just note down this point. This is very very important. In future also you will use this point. That's why. So 5n, there is no sign between this constant and variable, so you must consider that as a multiplication. So 5 into n, how will you express this 5 into n? 5 times n, like that we can write. Am I correct? So 5 times n. So here minus is given, so you can write less than or decreased by, like that you can write. So better we can write 5 times n less than 12 or decreased by 12. You can write any of this statement, both are correct only. Okay, so let's see the third one. 11 plus 10x, 11 plus 10x. So 11 plus is addition, so you want to write increased, or what else we can write? Increased is the better word, I think. So 11 increased by 10 times x. 10x is 10 into x, so 10 into x can be written as 10 times x. So 11 increased by 10 times x, 10 times x. Understood? So if there is no sign between the constant and variable, it is into multiplication, that can be written as times, 10 times x. Next is very easy, 70, s, it can be written as 70 times s, because there is no sign, it is a multiplication. Multiplication can be written as 70 times s. Very easy, no? Dear children, play this video 3 or 4 times, then only you will understand. Now I will give the 1 marks, you must answer it. Okay.